Okay. So now exercise 12.1. Question number 4. Evaluate 8 power minus 1 into 5 cube divided by 2 power minus 4. So exponents and powers. First exercise, fourth subdivision. First question we are going to see now. And here the power is negative. So to make the power as positive, what can you do? You have to bring it to the denominator. So here this can be written as 1 by 8 power 1. Similarly, here the power is negative. So to make it positive, this we can shift it to the numerator. So here on the numerator, the power is negative. So we are bringing to the denominator. So it becomes 8 power plus 1 into 5 cube. You just keep as it is. And this 2 power minus 4 value shift to the numerator. It becomes 2 power plus 4. 2 power plus 4. Okay, now 1 by 8 into 5 cube can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. 2 power 4 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2 4 times. Now cancel it. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to 4, 4 to 8. So this 8 and this 8 let us cancel. Now 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. So 25 into 10 is nothing but 250. So this is the answer. 250 will be the answer. Okay. So 8 power minus 1 when you bring 8 power minus 1 when you bring to the denominator it become 8 power plus 1. On 2 power minus 4 when you shift to the numerator it become 2 power plus 4. And this 5 cube you just keep as it is. And 1 by 8 power 1 is nothing but 8 1 times. So you just write 8 1 times. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 you should write 4 times. And then you cancel this 2 cube, 8. Isn't it? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this 8 and this 8 gets cancelled. Remaining is 5 into 5 into 5 and 2. Very easily we can do, children. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. 25 into 10 is nothing but 250. Okay. Now we are moving on to second sum. 5 power minus 1. I'm sorry. Second sum you just see. 5 power minus 1 into 2 power minus 1 into 6 power minus 1. So 5 power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 5 power 1. To make the power positive, we are bringing it to the denominator. Similarly, divided by 2 power 1. There is a law, a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. By using this law, we are doing this into 1 by 6 power 1. Okay. Now, 1 by 5 power 1 is nothing but 5. 2 power 1 is nothing but 2 into 1 by 6. Now numerator multiply it. 1 1s are 1. Denominator you multiply. 5 2s are 10. Then just write this 1 by 6. Again numerator 1 1s are 1. Denominator 10 6 are 60. So 1 by 60 will be the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now question number 5 is a very important 2-mark, children. Very important 2-mark question. Question number 5. Okay. Now 5 power m divided by 5 power minus 3 is equal to 5 power 5. 5 power m divided by 5 power minus 3 is equal to 5 power 5. Okay. What is the very important law for division? A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. This is the law of exponent. So here if the bases are equal during division, power should be subtracted, isn't it? So I told you to write all the laws inside the box to highlight the law. Okay, now here 5 power m divided by 5 power minus 3. So write single base. So write single base and power should be subtracted. Here the power is m minus, here the power is minus 3. So minus of minus will become what? Plus. Okay, actually m minus of minus 3. So minus into minus will become plus. That's why I wrote 5 power m plus 3. And in the right hand side we have 5 power 5. See here, if the bases are equal, then we can equate the powers. So equating the powers. So when we equate the powers, what is the power there? M plus 3. What is the power here? 5. So now m is equal to this 3 when you transpose, it is minus 3. So the value of m is equal to 2. The value of m is equal to 2. Very important 2-mark question. They will be asking you in periodic test as well as session ending exam also. Because in so many final year question paper, they have asked this problem. So you have to practice this more number of times. So question number 5, find the value of m. So first we are using this law, a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Then we have to equate the powers since the bases are equal. So when we equate the powers, m plus 3 is equal to 5. So m is equal to 5 minus 3. That is the value of m is 2. Okay. So now we are moving on to the next question. Sixth subdivision, evaluate 1 by 3 the whole power minus 1. Okay, so now let us separate the powers, because a by b the whole power m means a power m by b power m. So we can separate the powers by using this law. So 1 power minus 1 by 3 power minus 1 minus, similarly here 1 power, let me use this bracket, flare bracket, 1 power minus 1 by 4 power minus 1 whole power minus 1. Inside bracket alone I have simplified. Now to make this power positive, I will shift this to numerator and this to denominator. Similarly here this to numerator and this to denominator. So when I do, what will happen? A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m by using this. So 3 power 1 divided by 1 power 1 minus 4 power 1 divided by 1 power 1 whole power minus 1. Okay. Now, what is 3 power 1? That is 3. And 1 power 1 is 1. Minus 4 power 1, that is 4. And 1 power 1 is 1. Since the denominator is same, so we can combine the numerator and write single denominator. Whole power this minus 1, let us write as it is. Now, what is 3 minus 4? 3 minus 4 is nothing but minus 1. Minus 1, and the denominator have 1, so we can omit that. 1 minus 1 the whole power minus 1. So what is the answer? Minus 1 the whole power minus 1. Can you say the answer, children? What is minus 1 the whole power minus 1? Which is nothing but 1 by minus 1 the whole power 1. 1 by minus 1 the whole power 1. To make the power positive, we are bringing it to the denominator. Now what is 1 by minus 1? What is 1 by minus 1?
Minus 1. Minus 1.
1 by minus 1 is nothing but minus 1. How you got that answer? See, 1 by minus 1. That means to make this a denominator positive, always all the symbol should be there on the top. So let us multiply by minus symbol on both sides. So when you multiply by minus symbol on both sides, here what will happen? Minus 1 divided by plus 1. Minus into minus becomes plus. And when we have 1 in the denominator, we used to omit it. So, or any number divided by 1 will give you the same number. That is the concept. So the answer is minus 1. So 1 by minus 1 is nothing but minus 1. That is the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next, we are moving on to question number 2. Same evaluate problem. 5 by 8, the whole power minus 7 into 8. This is 8. 8 by 5, the whole power minus 4. Anybody is willing to say answer this problem? Who is willing to answer this problem?
Ma'am, shall I?
Yes, Netra Merlin. Good. Give the answer, ma.
Ma'am, first we have to
separate the powers and tell me.
yes, ma'am, separate it. Ma'am, 5 by 8 minus 7 into 8 by 5 power minus power 4 equal to 8 by 5 power 7 into 8 by 5 minus power 4, ma'am.
No, no, first separate the powers and tell me. Okay. So I have written 5 power minus 7 by 8 power minus 7. Then 8 power minus 4 by 5 power minus 4. Then by using this law, a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. To make the power positive, we will be shifting to the numerator, no? If it is in denominator, you have to shift it to numerator. If it is in numerator, you have to shift it to the denominator. Okay. Now, what will happen? 8 power minus 7 will become 8 power 7 when you shift to the numerator, and 5 power minus 7 is 5 power 7. Then similarly here 5
Ma'am,
power
5
4.
power 4 by 8
Hmm.
power 4.
Okay. Now what can you do? Or else one more method is there. That shall I say? That shall I say now?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. See here.
Yes, ma'am.
See here. Here
Yes,
one
ma'am.
more law is there. No, a power m divided by b power m is equal to a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. By using this law, here also base is equal, 5 and 5 is equal, and division. It is there in division, no? So division means we have to subtract the power, right? Single base and subtract the power. Here the power is minus 7. Here the power is minus 4. So minus of minus 4 will become plus 4 into, similarly here also the base is 8, here also the base is 8, and division because it is in the fraction, no? So division, therefore 8 power, here the power is minus 4 and here the power is minus 7. So minus of minus 7 will become plus 7. Formula has one minus and
Plus
the term
7.
has one minus. So now 5 power, what is 7 minus 4? Minus 7 plus 4. What is minus 7 plus 4, ma?
Ma'am, minus 3.
Ma'am, minus 3.
Very good. Then plus 7 minus 4.
Ma'am, plus 3.
Yes, plus 3.
Ma'am, minus 3.
Plus 3. Bigger number symbol is plus, no? 7. Symbol of 7 is plus, so you will be getting plus 3
Yes.
only. So now, again, how will you do this? Now I'll be rubbing this step. So here 5 power minus 3 will become 1 by 5 power 3. 5 power minus 3 is 1 by 5 power 3 and 8 cube. Okay. This power is not positive, it is negative. So let us bring it to the denominator. Now 8 cube is nothing but 8 into 8 into 8. 1 into 8 cube is 8 cube. And 5 cube is nothing but 5 into 5 into 5. So 8 eights are 64. 64 eights are 512. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. So the answer is 512 by 125. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Now we are moving on to the last question. Question number 7. You have two subdivisions. All the subdivisions are very important. 5 mark. Okay. So seventh part, first one.
Ma'am,
25
this chapter
into,
only 2 exercises.
yes. 5 power minus 3 into 10 into t power minus 8. Given that t should not be equal to 0 because denominator should not be equal to 0. If it is 0, then it is not defined. Okay, denominator should not be 0. Okay, now here, how can we do this? So all the powers, let us make positive, children. Or shall we use the law? Shall we use the law division? No, here also base is equal. Here t, isn't it? So that we can do, and here this 5 power minus 3 alone, shall we bring it to the numerator? Already 25 is there in the numerator, and 5 power minus 3, when you shift it to the numerator, it becomes 5 power plus 3 into t. Here also the base is t, here also the base is t. So according to the law, a power m divided by a power n, the rule is a power m minus n. So write single base and power should be subtracted. Here the power is minus 4 minus, here the power is minus 8. So minus of minus will become plus. So plus 8 whole divided by, this you have shifted and this you have simplified, only left out term is 10. So write that 10 here itself. Now in fifth table, this is 5 times and this is 2 times. Isn't it? Fifth table, this is 5 times, this is 2 times. So remaining is 5 into 5 cube is nothing but 5 into 5 into 5 into t power. What is 8 minus 4? 8 minus 4 is plus 4 whole divided by 2. So the answer is 5 5 is 25. 25 into 25 is 625 divided by 2 t power 4. That will be the answer. 625 by 2 t power 4. That will be the answer. Very important 5-mark question. Both the questions are very important 5-mark. 5-mark questions. Okay. So in this way you have to solve this question. Now who will answer second one? Anybody is willing to answer second one? 3 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 5 into 125 divided by 5 power minus 7 into 6 power minus 5.
Ma'am, shall I?
Yes.
Ma'am, if we take means 3 power minus 5 into 2 into 5 power
Yes,
minus
10 is
5,
not a
ma'am.
prime number. Wait, 10 is not a prime number. So let us write in the form of prime number 2 into 5. 10 can be written as 2
2 into
into
5. Yes, ma'am. 2 into 5.
minus 5 into 125 divided by 5 power minus 7. Similarly, 6 power minus 5 can be written as 2 into 3.
Ma'am, we
6
can
can be
write
written as
125 as 5 into 5 into 5, ma'am.
you can write. That let us write afterwards. Now you say
Okay,
the
ma'am.
answer.
Ma'am,
Now,
then if we cancel means 3 minus 5 into 2 minus power 2 power minus 5 into 5 power minus 5 into 5 power 3, ma'am.
see, listen. Now you have to separate the powers, children. So let us write 3 power minus 5 into this powers. Let us separate 2 power minus 5 into 5 power minus 5 into you just write 125 divided by 5 power minus 7 into here also separate the powers 2 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 5. Now let us cancel the terms. Here also 3 power minus 5, here also 3 power minus 5. Here also 2 power minus 5, here also 2 power minus 5. Then here as he said, let us write 125 as 5 into 5 into 5. Isn't it? That is 5 cube. 125 is nothing but what? 5 cube. So here it is not minus 8 plus 5 minus 5. 5 power minus 5 no. So 5 power minus 5 into 125 can be written as 5 cube because when you divide by prime factorization you will be getting 5 into 5 into 5. So divide denominator you have 1 minus 7. Okay, now how will you do? Let me rub this side. How will you do this?
And then we can take 5 as common and minus 5 plus we can take 5 as common and we can write 5 power minus 5 plus 3 by 5 power minus 7. As the formula am into an equal to am plus n.
According to the law, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here during multiplication powers can be added. So write single base and add the power minus 5 plus 3. Whole divided by denominator is minus 7. So the answer is 5 power minus 2 by 5 power minus 7. So now to make it positive or we can use the law a power m divided by division law also we can apply. So division law
5
according to
power
division
5
law
man. 5
base
power 5
5
will be the answer.
minus of minus will become plus. So 5 power minus 2 plus 7. So the answer is 5 power 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. So plus 5. The answer is 5 power 5. Okay. So in this way you have to solve the questions. Here. Stop recording.